We are back. This is Kenzie.
Hi.
Michaela. I don't even know, what is this called?
The Spirit of Boise.
We're here at the Spirit of Boise. Kenzie, what are you wearing today?
Honestly, I don't know what this is from. This is from Walmart. And this is from Boot Barn.
And this is from Starbucks. Michaela.
PacSun. I don't know, Depop. PacSun.
Okay.
Vans.
And Starbucks. Aeropostale. She. American Eagle. Vans. Gap. My boyfriend. And they're off.
Hey, they're off.
Why won't let me zoom?
I'll wait for her.
How do we guys feel about this day?
I have coffee, so I'm happy.
Oh, Kenzie's leaving us. She tends to run away. Kenzie,
What?
how was it running away from home?
Amazing, I love Idaho.
Yeah. Okay guys, we're back to the vlog. Here's Michaela. There's an air balloon right up there, if you can see him. My phone's not gonna let me zoom in, so there it is. There's some actually behind me. We just got done, so I have to.
Cutest pictures.
We did, like, a lot of cute pictures. They'll be on the Insta.
Oh yeah.
Look it up.
My hat, it's Michaela, but it's spelled weird. It's Mikhaila. Koppel, Kopple. Follow me, please.
Do it. Anyway, so we're going to, I have work from 9 to 2, and then I'm going to go to the zoo, which will probably be in this vlog. Michaela has work. I'm at school.
Both are great. I'm an elementary education major. It's fun. And then I work at a daycare, and that's fun. And she's a nanny. So we're both like freaking adorable. We work with kids. We're going to be great moms one day.
So wife us up, people. Wife us up.
Wife us up, please.
Ridiculous. It's also freezing out here. In one of my pictures, you could see my breath in it. So it's literally like 30 degrees in September in this lovely Idaho world we live in. Look at the air balloon. That's a sheep right there. She's from Cali. So right now we're walking back to my car, so I'm not late for work, and she's not late for class because I have to drive to Meridian.
Shoot, I'm sorry. I feel bad.
Oh, don't. If I leave here like 8:30, I'll be good because it doesn't really take 30 minutes.
Okay.
I don't think. I'll look it up.
Okay, good.
I think it takes like 20.
Aw.
So yeah, we're just here chilling.
Okay.
Well, walking back in this freezing weather. She has tea, cold tea, so her hands are freezing. But yeah, so here's my first video back.
Thank God we missed her.
Hi guys, so I just, sorry if I'm not watching, I'm like trying to drive. I just got done with work and I'm probably going to go to the zoo. Hopefully, I really want to, but really depends how I feel when I get home because I haven't seen my dog and I really want to see him. So that's kind of the gist of everything I'm doing. And a rock just hit my windshield, so that's my day. So yeah, that's what I have planned right now. Nothing really too extravagant, so I'll just keep you guys updated. So, guess who was late?
What's up?
2 hours.
No, I'm not.
my vlog gets work anymore. I don't even know what it is. Kind of good. Oh, the sloth here. So, every time you like, I get one. Hi, handsome. Look, you're just chilling. Pose, I guess.
If you lean back like that, you.
Can we get a tortoise?
Alaska's Wildlife Show. We got a tortoise over there. It's pretty big. Zoom in. Oh yeah.
Just getting really up there.
It's getting wild.
You just pissed him off. They're so pretty. I almost started crying because I didn't think they had penguins. Didn't I? Look. Pavilion. I found it. Don't worry, guys. Here they are. This was my favorite spot when I was a child. Look at him. I want to adopt a penguin. Look at him just waddle. Body yaddy yaddy yaddy. Papa's calling. And they're still in my chicken box.